with Earn by Time today. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $6, and got the next one right away. We are going right back to McDonald's. This one's going 6 miles. Total for that one was $8. Just got the next order. This is Don Taco going 7 miles. Thank you. Easy enough. Oh my, what does that smell? What is this? Fish burritos at like 6 in the morning. Brother, what are you doing? I'm about to gag. Total for that was $10. So they just tried to give me a gravity coffee, only one drink, going 14 miles. Yeah, we're not doing that one. So I'll gladly take this one over to that one. This is a Starbucks going about a mile. Probably has no tip on it, but at least it's not 14 miles. Cat? Yes.
Yay.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, I was right. No tip on that one. Total for that was $2 even. Kind of cringe, but it only took like 5 minutes. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $12 going 6.5 miles, 2 items.
Please remain at this location.
I just need one of these Smirnoff. Next up is a Taco Bell, $9 going 2 miles. I've got a feeling this one is not gonna work out. I don't think it's open.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Are you going to be using the app to earn rewards points today? That literally just popped up, but it's going to be a minute. I still got to set up the hot stuff on my line.
Oh, you're all good. Is the lobby open?
No.
No? Okay.
Technically, we're not even open yet, but...
Oh, okay. Yeah, the lights were off, I figured.
yeah, she just orders every Saturday morning at 7:30 in the morning.
I'll do that for you. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next up is a stacked Krispy Kreme. This is $24 going 10 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. This next one says, do not sit on ground in the bird, blank, 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 blank. Leave on bench on the front porch. You got it. Got a Black Rock coffee. This one is going just under 3 miles. Thank you.
Of course, drive safe.
Nice. That was a no tip. Total for that was $3. Got this next one right away. It is a Seize the Bagel going 4 miles.
Grab the bagel for me,
Hello. Rachel?
Perfect. Just finished it.
Thank you. I just realized this is going to that same customer that I just had that was a no tip. So I didn't mention it on the previous order, but it does say, please do not knock. We've got a loud, barky dog So the question is, do I be petty? Maybe just a little bit. Total for that was $5, no tip. Next up is a McDonald's going 3 miles. Total for that order was just under $10, pretty good. And got the next one right away, going right back to McDonald's. This is going 6.5 miles. Well, this place is busy. That's the drive-through line right there. There you are. Yep. Have a good day. Total for that was $8. Next up, yet another McDonald's. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $6 and change. Next up, going to, you guessed it, McDonald's. This one's going 3 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't know how much I got paid for that one because I got the next order right away. It's a Starbucks going half a mile.
And these are cappuccinos for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Go down? Yeah.
No, stop sniffing for treats.
Total for that was $5. Current time is 10:09. Current total, or I guess total, is 117. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.